Honor has silently launched its new smartphone under X70 lineup in China called Honor X70 Pro Max with premium-looking design. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X70 Pro Max features a tall 6.79-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 6,000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 Enhanced Edition chipset paired with Adreno 810 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Honor X70 Pro Max sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture, and it is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 8,560 mAh battery with 90 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Magic OS 10 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69K certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.9 by 76.1 by 7.76 millimeters, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor X70 Pro Max has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 2,399 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Phantom Black, Phantom Purple, Sunburst Gold, and Bamboo Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X70 Pro Max smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.